Hello, this is Bitcoin Guide. Today we have the CPI announcement. The CPI data will be released shortly. The strategy remains almost the same as yesterday's. Regarding yesterday's long position strategy, this is the section 1 I explained while waiting for the 79.9K long position. It touched and closed with a very strong rally without ever breaking the purple index. And now we are seeing it pull back. The position has been slightly adjusted from yesterday's strategy. Just below the gap 10 zone, you will find a long entry point sitting at 79.7 thousand. Make sure to set your stop loss if the price breaks below that green support line. After hitting the 81.1 thousand target, look to re-enter a long position at 80.7 thousand and wait for the next daily candle to form after tomorrow's session. The upper end of the range is 81.6 thousand and the final target price is set at 82.1 thousand. It's not too difficult, right? If it breaks below the green support line, the bottom zone at 79.3K is open. You need to be cautious as it could drop as far as the first zone at 78.7K. Let me summarize today's strategy for you. I tend to rely quite heavily on Bollinger Band patterns, and I have also noticed that the MACD dead cross on the daily chart is finally beginning to take its proper shape. It has been quite a frustrating and rather difficult experience for all of us lately, hasn't it? Consequently, the asset has been under significant downward pressure, and we are currently witnessing a rather prolonged and steady market correction phase. I have gone ahead and applied a specific technical pattern here, utilizing the support line from the 6-hour chart alongside the midline of the 12-hour chart, which is based on Bollinger Bands as my primary criteria for this particular technical analysis. Another candle will form on the chart shortly. Once the 12-hour candle is set, if the price drops to the level I've been waiting for, my analysis puts support at 79.7K. That's the area to watch. Even if we see a strong rebound occurring here, the dead cross on the daily chart's MACD is definitely going to cause a pullback, so we are likely to see it dip again tomorrow. Given that we might witness further sideways movement or perhaps a minor market correction, it would be best if we follow this strategy today, first touching the entry point, followed by a rebound and a slight correction to finish the session. That concludes our strategic outlook for today. Since the CPI announcement often leads to significant market volatility, please make sure to trade with discipline and always set a stop loss to ensure your safety. If you subscribe and like, you can receive updates as quickly as possible. Thank you for watching.